You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this word? Let's exercise your pronunciation. Let's have your tongue doing some sport. Alright, two different ways of pronouncing it. British English, sport. The R is essentially pretty much silent. You have an O sound, sport. American English, US pronunciation is as sport, sport. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.